Yo guys, welcome back to a new video here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto and thank you guys once again for tuning in to this amazing new video here on the channel. And guys, today is a very exciting video because today I will be specifically talking about the price action of XRP and why I do think that we will be rising towards new highs here. And besides that, guys, on the 1 hourly time frame, I can currently see that we are trading on key levels of support, and this is also the reason why I do think that we will be going higher. So that is the reason why I'm currently making this emergency video for you guys, because right now we are trading on key levels of support and you don't want to be missing out this buying opportunity. And as well, guys, I will be going a little bit into my longer time frame here of XRP and the reasons why I do still think that we are going to see higher prices than you will be probably expecting. So if it sounds interesting, if you're an XRP holder, make sure to watch the video till the end here. And as well, guys, don't forget to ring the bell notification and become a subscriber on the channel, because then you're not going to miss out on these time-related updates here. So let's go right away into the video. So today, very exciting day, of course. You can see XRP once again correcting a little bit here, but we are heading towards our important target of this daily level of support. And you can see several times we have been touching this level over here. We have been touching this level, and this level is exactly trading around to 86 cents here. And I'm trying to record this video as soon as possible so I can be uploading it as soon as possible. So it will be probably pretty short here. So horizontal support over here, as you can see right now, trading on this level again, and this can be providing us a long trade opportunity, and this long can be already pushing up the price towards this price record on the top side, and that is already a 23% increasement. So make sure that you are prepared for this drop, for this increasement. And this is of course still also very good, because if we're going to find a supportive bounce from this point over here, we're of course starting an uptrend and a higher low structure. And of course, if we're talking about a 4 hour, we are definitely still in a downtrend here, but maybe we're going to create something like a continuation pattern. But this, of course, this downward sloping resist line is of course the main resist line that we have to be looking at. And of course, if we can be reversing towards the upside right now, we can be also drawing an upward sloping support line over here. But that is of course still a lot of speculation. But in general speaking, this level has been holding up very strong over here as well. So that is the reason, by the way, why I will be saying the 86 cents will be a major accumulation level. So as well, guys, to go a little bit into the bigger time frame, recently on the channel I've been talking about that XRP was looking of course very strong here, but unfortunately we were seeing a breakdown here. We were first seeing a beautiful breakout towards the upside, but then we were correcting towards the downside because of the flash crash of Bitcoin. It was dragging all these altcoins with it, and that is of course the reason why we were taking Bitcoin as a key indicator. So yeah, we broke towards the downside, very unfortunate, but right now we have to be looking at new opportunities and we have to be reevaluating. So yeah, pretty unfortunate that we were faking out here, but it was all because of Bitcoin. So, I mean, yeah, we are currently getting a good buying opportunity. And maybe you're wondering, why should I be buying into XRP? And that is, of course, the thing that I want to be saying here to you. But before that, guys, yeah, I mean, if we're really going to correct towards the 67 cents here, the 60 towards 70 cents range here will be one of my biggest accumulation levels. That, of course, will be, of course, a perfect target to enter some. I already set up some limit orders because of what if we're going to correct, then it will be definitely benefiting from it. But guys, why do I think you want to be accumulating XRP? Because I should not be accumulating XRP if I don't think that I will be making good gains with it. So if you look to the XRP compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys, you have to know how the market structure works there. And this is very important for all the XRP holders. Everyone tells me XRP is a stablecoin. XRP is doing nothing. Rover, why should you be buying it? But you have to know, guys, XRP tends to spike in such a rapid pace in such a short time frame. So here we can see an 89% increasement here, and 34x for you guys. So XRP, we know the market structure, as you can see over here from the past 2018. So even though in 2020 as well here, as you can see over here, it pumps, but it corrects very quickly, and it will be pumping and correcting also very quickly. And if we are taking this towards a previous high, this will be already an approximately 10x here for all the Ethereum holders compared to Bitcoin. And also, keeping in our mind here, previously in the bull run, XRP was fighting against Ethereum here to fight for P2 here. I definitely think XRP is undervalued, but it can be taking out the territory very quickly in a very rapid pace here. So that is, of course, the reason why I'm, of course, exposed to it, because I think it can be spiking in a very rapid pace here. And this video is very short too, because I want to be keeping you guys up to date, but just in a very short video. But I mean, you're not willing to miss this out right now, especially where you can be buying some cheap XRP here. I mean, I won't be surprised if we're going to sit around to $6 or even higher by the end of the year. And maybe you're saying, oh, bro, you're such a moon boy. But I mean, the fact there is that this is the market structure that we know from XRP. And of course, it was pumping and dumping so significantly before. But of course, in the bull run of 2018, it was really showing these pump and dumps very quickly as well here. So yeah, you decide if you're going to miss out on this one. But I'm still willing to accumulate some more XRP. That is the reason why I made this video. Of course, currently we are trading on the 1 hour. Very nice support, of course, is getting found here. If we can also break through this resist line on the top side, it will be very exciting if we can do so. So we'll be keeping my eyes out on it. And of course, if we're going to create maybe a continuation pattern, we'll be bringing out an update for you guys once again here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Very short video, but try to post this as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys back later in a new update here on the channel. Goodbye.